In today's video, we are painting. Welcome YouTube watchers and makers. This is your art buddy Vasu, and today we are painting penguins hanging on an iceberg. And before we begin, I would like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for your love and support, and thank you so much for the new viewers and new subscribers, and I will always appreciate people showing love. So thank you without wasting any time. Let's begin. Alright guys, for today's painting we are using acrylic paint, water for rinsing our brush, and the brush sizes I will mention in the corner. Alright, so I'll take a little bit of phthalo blue, mix it in my white on the side somewhere, a little bit more, get a nice shade of blue, like a light blue, and then I'm going to apply the paint from the top all the way to the bottom of the canvas. Moving my hand like a wiper, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Alright guys, I will try to get an even shade of blue, light blue. After getting one even tone of blue, we're gonna either air dry or use a blow dryer for a few minutes. Alright, after the background guys, I'm gonna grab my big brush that I was painting the background with, wipe it down, rinse it off, wipe it down, and then just take straight white, and then from the left hand top corner, like near the corner or under the corner.
What?
I'm gonna start with a squiggly, uneven, slopey white stroke, and then I make sure like I would add like some uneven features, like I added a little, and then I'm gonna place my brush flat and very faint pressure I'm gonna apply and slide the paint along this slopiness. Very faint pressure guys. If you're gonna put too much pressure, it's not gonna give you the streakiness. So we're making a little iceberg here, like a close-up view of an iceberg, right? So I'll start with very faint pressure with my brush, sliding it along the slope. There's a lot of shades within the ice. It's not just white. It's like mixture of blues and whites. And as I come down, I'm going to add in a little bit more phthalo blue into the white. Again, back to that. Then I'll go back to phthalo blue, add it in my previous blue, the sky blue, make it slightly darker this time, darker than the sky shade. And then I'm just gonna go along and slide underneath the white strokes. So first just randomly slide paint. I'll use a little bit of water to increase the fluidity of my paint. Sliding and getting more streakiness. Alright guys, after this step I'm going to use the blow dryer and dry my painting. After that we will rinse our brush in the water, wipe it down on your paper towel, and take some more only white, and then I'll make another little mountain or iceberg, like a little iceberg here, like that, slant it down. Another one, like underneath the big one, there's another small one here. With faint pressure, I'm gonna slide the paint on an angle down. you have to use your judgment. You know, sky should be lightest. You know, light is projected from the sun here, so there's a little shade casted here. And for all of that, we will translate it with blues and whites. So I'm gonna go back to a similar shade of phthalo blue and white, and then create a little shadow for my iceberg. Just a little bit more phthalo blue just to differentiate it. You know, I couldn't tell the difference, you know. I don't want it to be part of that. It's like slightly different summit. I'll go back to a little bit of white and another rock there. Not rock, iceberg there. A little one there at the very bottom. And then with faint pressure, I'm gonna add more white in certain areas just to bring out the contrast more, randomly touching up some white highs and lows, just with very faint pressure. I'm sliding my paint on an angle. Look at my pressure. It's like very, very faint. I'm not putting too much stress on it. Just sliding it naturally. Let it translate all the contrast in the ice. A little bit more here. We will blow dry it one more time, guys. Alright guys, I'm using a medium brush and then I'm just doing a better shape up. Alright, next step guys will be switching our brush size to a fine small brush. And then I'm gonna take that brush white and then create an oval here, like an egg shape. I'll do another egg shape here. I'm gonna rinse off the brush and then move to black. I'll do an egg shape with black here now. Add a little circle over it, like a tiny circle for the head. We're making penguins, guys. We started making penguins. And then I'm gonna bring out a stroke from the top of my egg shape here, the bottom one, like in between here. I'm gonna pull out the strokes. And on the other guys, I will start off with a circle here, another one here on top of the other guy. On this guy, I'm gonna have these two more profiled from side, so I will pull out a stroke from the head for the beak, and then I'll do the black portion of its body. So I'm gonna slide the black from the head. Now time for the fins. You can add a little stroke here, coming on the body. Just shape it up a little better. I'll make another fin from the other side coming down. So I will take some yellow ochre, layer right where we would see or feel the neck would be, like a tiny bit of yellow ochre. Alright guys, I'm gonna once again touch up the whites. One more step, if you want to add like seagulls, you can add that as well. Start with the white dot, and from the dot you can swing out 2 curvy strokes, opposite direction. One right, one left, one right. This is the final result, guys. Hope you guys had a good time watching this video and got something to learn as well. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe this channel, and hit that bell icon so you can be notified for my upcoming videos. Until then, ta-ta, bye-bye, ciao.